In this video, we will learn how to set up the Sumup card reader. First, unbox the Sumup card reader and make sure it's charged. If it is not fully charged, plug it in. Next, you will need to download the Sumup app on your smartphone or tablet to connect to the card reader. The app is available free on Android or iOS, such as on the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Now, download and install the app on your device. Once installed, open the Sumup app on your device. If you are a new user, sign up with your email address and follow the prompts to complete an account sign up. If you already have an account, simply log in. Now, to connect the card reader to the app, open the app and go to the settings or device section where you can pair your card reader. Now, make sure your card reader is turned on. It should display a green light when powered on. In the app, select the option to connect the new card reader. After that, the app should automatically search for card readers near your device. Then, follow the on-screen prompt to complete the Bluetooth pairing. Next, configure your account and payment settings. You'll be prompted to add a bank account details or payment preference so that Sumup can deposit your funds from the card payment into this account. Set up any other necessary settings such as business details, payment options or receipt preferences. Then, once it is all set up and complete, you can do a test transaction using the card to transfer and make sure everything is working correctly. Simply enter the amount in the app, follow the prompts and insert or tap the card on the reader. If the payment goes through, the card reader is successfully set up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.